Hello friends, I am Arnav from Children's Academy School. I study in grade 6th B. Today I am going to show you my certification for Google Slides. So I have created a presentation on my favorite character. The presentation is in my drive. So now I'm going to present this. Batman, created by Arnav. Batman introduction. Batman is a fictional superhero appearing in American comic books published by DC Comics. The character was created by artist Bob Kane and writer Bill Finger, and first appeared in Detective Comics. Originally named as Batman, the character is also referred to such epithets as the Caped Crusader, the Dark Knight, and the world's greatest detective. Batman's secret identity. Batman's secret identity is Bruce Wayne, a wealthy American playboy, philanthropist, and owner of Wayne Enterprises. After witnessing the murder of his parents, Dr. Thomas Wayne and Martha Wayne as a child, he swore vengeance against criminals, an oath tempered by a sense of justice. Bruce Wayne trains himself physically and intellectually and crafts a Bat-inspired persona to fight crime. Batman's occupation. Batman operates in a fictional Gotham City with assistance from various supporting characters, including the butler Alfred, police commissioner Gordon, and vigilante allies such as Robin. Unlike most superheroes, Batman does not possess any superpowers. Rather, he relies on his genius, intellect, physical prowess, martial arts abilities, detective skills, science and technology, vast wealth, intimidation, and indomitable will. A large assortment of villains make up Batman's rogues gallery, including his archenemy, the Joker. Origin and information on Batman. The character became popular soon after his introduction in 1939 and gained his own comic book title, Batman, the following year. As the decades went on, differing interpretations of the character emerged. The late 1960s Batman television series used to camp aesthetic, which continued to be associated with character for years after the show ended. Various creators worked to return the character to his dark roots, culminating in 1986 with The Dark Knight Returns by Frank Miller. The success of Warner Bros. Live-action Batman feature films have helped maintain the character's prominence in mainstream culture. Batman, a famous character. An American cultural icon, Batman has garnered enormous popularity and is among the most identifiable comic book characters. Batman has been licensed and adapted into a variety of media, from radio to television and film, and appears on various merchandise sold around the world, such as toys and video games. The character has also introduced his psychiatrists, with many trying to understand his physique. In 2015, Fansided ranks Batman as number 1 of their list of 50 greatest superheroes in comic book history. Kevin Conroy, Bruce Greenwood, Peter Weller, Anthony Roiber, Jason O'Mara, and Will Arnett, among others, have provided the character's voice for animated adaptations. Batman has been depicted in both film and television by Lewis Wilson, Robert Lowery, Adam West, Michael Keaton, Welm, and so on. Thank you. Now I explain you how I created my project. So this is the lightning bolt shape which I added here, and this is the press start font, and this is the word art. Okay, this is the word art. Next, wait. As you see here, I have added an animation to this, and this is all the information. So this is the flip animation, and this is the wait, I'll show you. Escape. This animation is this transition. Sorry. Is the flip transition, and this animation is the fly in from top animation. The next is the gallery transition, and this is the fly in from right animation. This is the fade transition and fly in from bottom animation. This is again the gallery, and this is the spin animation. And here last comes a thank you. This I have added image from, I've imported from the internet, and all this information is also imported from the internet. Thank you, and I'm finished with my certification. Thank you, and have a good day.